Traders, what's going on, everyone? This is Irvin here. Welcome to our Forex midweek analysis. We're just gonna be doing a follow-up. We're just gonna do a follow-up on the video that we recorded on Saturday and Sunday. So this is for the week of October 11 to the 15th, trading with multiple time frame, and our website it is tweforexsystem.com. So once again, thank you for coming to our midweek Forex analysis. Let's get to work and let's see what the market is doing this week. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start, guys, with our AUD USD. I gave this pair to everyone on Sunday. Let me explain you what I saw on Sunday because it's very important. Guys, always pay attention to your dashboard. Your dashboard is on fire, it's letting you know the market is bullish at this present time. But on Sunday, the market was bearish. Our TW sniper entry was also bearish. Now, what I saw here on Sunday was the market was giving us this was considered a pullback. So now it's officially confirmed a bullish trend. But on Sunday, the market was still in a pullback. So what happened here is that our TW sniper entry just formed this week. Remember, we are trading the 11 to the 15. So this week, the market is returning back to a bullish market. So right now we have confirmation saying yes, the market will be in a buy position. What did I say on Sunday? I said on Sunday, guys, the market still has potential to go and retest your 50 to your 61 Fibonacci level, which it was fine. So the market came, unfortunately, it went all the way to your 61.8 Fibonacci line. So the market was right at the end. I thought the market was gonna make a small retracement, but overall, look at what I was saying. Overall, I knew the market was gonna be in a buy position because anyway, the pullback was valid. So this trade is good, to be honest. So right now, if I had to analyze this market right now, guys, this is what I would do. If I had to do this all over again, I will say yes, the market right from where it is, guys, most likely this is what I think the market will do. Market can still push to your 78.6 Fibonacci line, and then from that 0.6 Fibonacci line, then the market will make a small retracement, will make a correction. So that's what I think the market will do. Please let me know in the comment below, what do you guys think, if you guys agree with this. But I think that's what the market is gonna do for the remaining of the week. So we still have, today's Wednesday, tomorrow Thursday and Friday. So we still have 3 trading days. That's a lot. So anything can happen. But last week, guys, we nailed it. We got all our weekly analysis was on point. So the Forex weekly analysis was right on point. So today we just doing our weekly midweek Forex analysis. So we just doing the before and after. All right, let me know in the comment below, guys, what do you guys think. Let me know if everything makes sense. Participate. And remember one thing, guys, that's very important for you is I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader here on YouTube. Please do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. If you need help or you want me to help you learn how to trade, get in touch with me. The link is on the description of this video. Also, you can become a member if you want. Make sure you do comment, like, and share so you can learn how to grab our multiple time frame by trading our system. So and here anyway, every week, guys, every week I give you at least over $1,200 I'm sorry, over 1,200 pips week and monthly. So it's a lot of freebies, to be honest. A lot of you guys are paying already for signals. In my opinion, don't waste your money on signals. Signals are BS. All right, so make sure you do subscribe so you never ever miss any content from us. All right, let me know in the comment below, guys, if any of you guys have any question, so so we can go ahead and wrestle this professionally, so we can move on. All right, so the next pair that we are gonna see, guys, is USD Canadian. Is anybody here trading USD Canadian? Anyone? What I'm seeing here on USD Canadian, guys, market workout, basically on what I told you. Look at here, guys. I saw here multiple time frame going in favor of your TW sniper entry, which was good. By the way, please guys, pay close attention to your dashboard. The dashboard is turning, everything is still selling. So the market, what I told you here on Sunday was the market will still have potential to come back and retest your 0 Fibonacci level, right? So market at this real time, guys, market is doing exactly what I told you. It's just sitting in there. So basically what the market is doing here is just consolidating. It's not doing much. So what I'm expecting here is I'm expecting the other leg to be in a pullback bullish position. But right now the market is just sitting in there. So it has been sitting since when? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and today is Wednesday. So it's sitting in there doing nothing. Remember guys, please double check the news. The news is very important. If you don't know how to check the news, go into our website. There is a Market Watch news event in there, so you can learn how to use that tool. So it's free, everyone can use it. The link is below, tweforexsystem.com. okay. Let me know guys if any of you guys have any question, but it seems like everything is working out based on what I told you. Even though that this week the market is acting up very weird, and I mean, all we have to do guys is celebrate. If we can celebrate, you know, the success that we are doing, yeah, let's do it. But that's the best thing I can tell you guys is let's get happy, yeah, let's celebrate, and let's make all this happen. Okay. Let's go ahead and analyze the next pair of the day. The next pair that I give you guys over the weekend was Euro GBP. A lot of people are talking about Euro GBP, but look at how simple it is using our system, guys. Using our system is straightforward, no magic. It is what it is. Multiple time frames says that we are selling. Our TWE sniper says that we are selling. Look at the stairs, guys. There's no reason why you need to be confused. Look at here, selling. What is the market doing? Market is selling. What did I say on Sunday, guys? The market is gonna do a small retracement. Look at that candle, boom, it came right where I told you. Then from there I said market is gonna make a correction, making that buy position stronger, and the market was gonna take off and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci. So the market came to your 23, and then it came back to your re-entry level. So remember, this week is very weird, guys, very weird week, but so far this weekly analysis is working right. Same thing what I told you. So another one that is consolidating, but the drawing that I gave you guys on Sunday, it is fine. So I'm very excited for that because hey, you know, I'm giving you a lot of good, amazing content, and make me so proud of it. And remember guys, I'm not your financial advisor. It's one thing. And join us if you can, become a member, join a multiple time frame. So, and stop paying for signal, guys. I'm giving you here week after week over 1,200 free pips. So why would you go and pay for signal when I'm giving you all this stuff for free? All right, so go ahead and share this video with as many people as you can. Let them know, hey, there is some free analysis in here, and comment below and let me know if you do have any question. Okay, because it's free, guys. Either you make the decision, either you want to, you know, still get it for free, or you want to go and pay somebody else. But even though if you do pay to someone else, guys, ask them this question, guys. Look at what Euro GBP is doing. Asking this question, hey, can you let me know what is the market gonna do in the next hour, tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday? Can you please let me know that? Guess what? Most likely they're not gonna give you that because they want to keep you on the signal program. So that's when you need to make an educated decision and say, you know what, this is for me, this is not for me. All right, so here it is, guys. So what I'm seeing here on gold is multiple time frames in a buy position. Finally, our TWE sniper entry just from this week, saying that we are in a buy position. What did I say on Sunday? On Sunday, I told everyone in here the market was still selling because the seller was on control on Sunday. So I told everyone, hey guys, the market is gonna come back and retest your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Perfect hit. And then from there, what did I say next? I said, guys, market is gonna come back and retest your 38 to your 50 Fibonacci level. boom, it did exactly what I told you. So far I thought the market was gonna continue down, which is nothing wrong. Market just did, you know, exactly what I told you. If I have to reanalyze this market all over again, this is what I will have to tell you guys. The market, to be honest, is still gonna come back and retest the same levels. So it's just bullish, guys. In my opinion, most likely all this week, market's still gonna be going in a buy position. What do you guys think? What do you guys think gold is gonna do, guys? Any questions? Comment below. Let us know if you want me to make a different video or what part you are confused, so when I make a video I can help you out. Okay, but let me know in the comment below if you guys agree with gold or disagree. All right, so gold at this real time is in a buy position. Pay close attention to your dashboard. The dashboard is giving you the answers, telling you from 1 day all the way to 15 minutes the market is only going in one direction, and that direction it is a buy position. All right, fair enough. All right, good job. So let's go ahead and move on to the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for everyone, it is USD Jpy. Did anyone in here trade USD Jpy? Because USD Jpy is another amazing pair that they were looking at it. So hopefully everybody make tons of pips, because in here we make hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips with the market. So just trading a multiple time frame. A multiple time frame is very straightforward, very easy to use, and you will not get confused. The only thing you need is the rules. As long as you have the rules on control, you will be fine. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at USD Jpy. All right, pay close attention what I told everyone on USD Jpy. All the JPY guys it did not respect any level whatsoever. Everything has been disrespected. Please, like I said earlier, double check the news. The news is very important. All what I saw on Sunday was the following, guys. This is what I saw on Sunday. Market was clearly in a buy position. Our TWE sniper entry was also in a buy position. So the market was only bullish since last Sunday. But on Sunday the market was just give us this long engulfing candle here. So what I told everyone on Sunday, guys, the market still have potential to go and retest your 28 to your 23 Fibonacci line, and I thought from there market was gonna retrace, but all suddenly market took off and went to the next level. So right now the market is sitting at this real time, guys. Market is getting ready to give us a what? A pullback. So in my opinion, this pullback is valid. But you know what we can do this week, I don't think this is a bad trade, to be honest. We can call this as a negative, but even though the market still pay pretty damn good pips going on this small continuation of the trade. So maybe it was what, about probably 15-20 pips in there, or 30 pips, who knows, but it's there. So but we still can put this as a negative. So I gave you guys, how many pips did I give you guys today? Look, I gave you 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and we can say the USD JPY didn't work out, which it did, but let's say 4 out of 1, so still dang good, guys. That's a good winning ratio in there. So all I have to say that this week, guys, the market still has potential, to be honest, to come down. Now what we are gonna be looking here is we're gonna be looking for a potential sell position, a pullback, so it is ready. If you do pay attention here on the lower time frame, 30 minute, 50 minute, and 5 minutes is already selling. So the market on USD JPY is already selling on the lower time frame. All right, what do you guys think, guys? Any question? Who has any question in here? Please go ahead, put it on the chat room so I can help you out and make you understand what the market is doing. And remember, guys, please don't trade any money you can afford to lose. This business is very risky, so If you need help, just send me a message. The private link is on the description of this video. Okay, so once again guys, we are just watching our midweek forex analysis for the week of October 11 to the 15th. Hopefully everybody found value out of this video. Make sure you do subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't ever miss any content from us. And remember, God bless you. God bless our beautiful nation, the United States, and the world as well, and each and every one of you. So I will guys see you on tomorrow training. Okay, take care guys. Hasta mañana. Peace out.